In this video, I'll show you how to connect your domain and create a subdomain to a Builderall 5.0 cheater website builder. Alright, so this is the new dashboard. Your latest project, if you click on this arrow down, you can access everything and you can click through. So let me minimize it. Okay, so start a project, create a website, create physical store, create a webinar, create a checkout sale. Alright, and you can create a website with members area. Okay, let's go back. So I'm gonna reduce it. So these are all the tools. So Mailingboss, cheater website builder, custom email magazine. You can just keep going through. So you can click here to search. So let's say I want to search for WordPress. You don't even have to press the search button and boom, see, it's showing already. So that's how good and fast Builderall is. Or you can even prioritize it. So click on this and you see. So let's say I use Cheetah Website Builder a lot because I like to build my websites on that. So I'll just drag it and switch it over. Organize tools. All right, this is good. And you have WooCommerce. This is good for WordPress store. So if you are so much into WordPress, yeah, you can shorten your URL if you don't want to use Bitly and stuff like that. As time goes on, you get your hands on it. You just have to come in and just play with it. So if I click Cheetah website, so these are the sites that I have. It got nothing to do with the 5.0, okay? So I'll show you the 5.0 in a bit. So that's the custom email magazine and stuff, and or you can even click this, but I prefer this one because this one is faster. And I'll reduce it again. So I like the arrangement of the 5.0. So it's like 4.0 inside the 5.0. I'll show you how to connect your domain and create a subdomain to a Builderall 5.0 cheater website builder. So to connect a domain, you need to create a page, like a landing page, a sales page, simple one-page website, or any page that you want to promote, because you need that before you can connect a domain. Alright, so there are two ways you can create a quick website. You can use tools and go through the Cheetah website builder, okay? But I'll show you how to create a quick one. So click on start a project, then create a website, scroll down, click on start here. So I'll grab a quick template and we're gonna work on it. Alright, so these are the templates. You can grab any of them and change it to whatever you want. Load more. I like this one better. Okay, so I'll just close it and choose this. Scroll down, next step. Because that's the domain name, so I'll scroll down, create website. You can go to website and check it, but I don't want to do that. I don't want to waste your time, so edit website. All right, so this website is live and connected to Builderall subdomain. That's not professional, okay? So I'll show you how to connect your domain and create subdomains right now. Scroll down and click on domain. Then you're gonna name the domain here. So I will show you quick. All right, so I've logged into my domain host and I'm using Namecheap. You can use GoDaddy or whatever you want, but if you want Namecheap, I'll drop the link in the description box so you can use it. Okay, that's my affiliate link and thanks for using it. All right, and also you can buy from Builderall as well, but I'll advise you to buy from a third party. It gives you total control of your domain in case something go wrong with Builderall. Alright, so once you have your domains, all you got to do, click on manage. Alright, so this is a domain name, so I will just copy, right click, copy, and I'll go back here and I'll just right click, paste it. This way you're not gonna miss your spellings and stuff like that. Alright, then you click on connect, then connect domain confirm. Really want to connect the domain. If you check and the spelling is correct, then you click confirm. Then it's gonna generate 7 names for you. All right, if you are using IP, then this is what you're gonna use, but I'm gonna use the 7 names. So copy this and make sure it says successfully copied. So that's server 1. So you go to your domain host, then you scroll down under name servers, It's gonna say Namecheap Basic DNS. So click on this and click on Custom DNS. Name server 1. Right click on it and paste it. Then you go back, copy the name server 2. Please don't try to use the same name servers for each page you'll be connecting to, because it can change. All right, so please use what Builderall gives you. Okay, go back, right click, paste. All right, so when everything is done, then you're gonna click this checkout. It says save. It's gonna take up to 48 hours to take effect. That's normally how long the DNS servers take, but in most cases it takes between half an hour to 1 hour. So then I'll go back to the cheater builder system. I'll click on republish again. I like doing that whenever I make some changes. So once that is done, what you're gonna do, all right, so let's go back here and close this. You don't need it anymore. Okay, so close it just so it will not distract you. Then return back to your main editor. So right now, like I told you, it's gonna take half an hour to an hour. If you try, it's not gonna work. So let me show you. Then you go to the website page. See? All right, so as you can tell, it's connected under Builderall system with the SSL, which is required by Google, but it's not on the server. So I'm gonna wait and I'll come back after half an hour and I will just try it again. All right, so I'll close this and I'll close this as well. All right, but make sure you log off from your domain host. Okay. All right, so it's more than half an hour now and it's getting to an hour. So let's check it out. Click on these 3 dots and click on go to the web page. Boom, it's fast and easy. And you have your SSL certificate here and everything is good. This is just a simple one page so you can connect your domain. All right, so to create a subdomain, I've created a site already, so I'll connect a subdomain to it. Click on tools. All right, so I have it in here, so I'll click enter. Scroll down, click on domain. So the subdomain name is TubeBuddy, okay, dot. All right, so this is a subdomain name, TubeBuddy dot. Then the primary domain name that we're gonna create a subdomain on, and in this case, Builderall for business.com. All right, so this is all you're gonna do. TubeBuddy.buildall for business.com. Then when everything is done, click on connect. Connect to your domain. Connect domain confirm. Really want to connect the domain. TubeBuddy.buildall for business.com. Yes, confirm. All right, so as you can tell, it brought me back to the domain info page. All right, so since we are not connecting a primary domain, that's it, we are done. And what we're gonna do, we have to click on republish, like I told you earlier on. Always don't forget. All right, so everything is done. What you need to do, wait for half an hour. Okay, so I will show you quick. So go to home. All right, and let's try and access it. You see it's not gonna work right now, so go to website. See, so we have to wait half an hour later. Okay, I'll close it and I'll come back. All right, so I'm back. Okay, so let's check it out right now. Click here, then you go to the website. Bam. All right, so this is it, and when you click on this, it's gonna take you straight to the sales page. This is how you set up subdomain. I'll be coming up soon with how to set up your Mailingboss account for the first time, especially for beginners. This is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so that you'll not miss my next video. All right, until next time, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.